guys, welcome back to our vegan channel. I've got a product review for you today, and it's very timely because it is freezing outside.
It's cold,
today.
And we might be having another polar vortex.
No!
That's what Dad was saying.
Well, I really need this then. I need this is a personal heater.
Ooh.
It's mine. I'm going to tell you at the end how you can get yours, but if you want one. They, at Version Tech, were nice enough to send me one to try out. I love the packaging. It's the Geek electric heater.
Yeah.
It's very sleek. It's very stylish. It just looks high-tech. And I like that. I don't want to put something in my house that looks like, oh, this looks like it's from 1970. I like something that looks like it's going to go with the rest of my furnishings. So, like I said, there's a personal heater. It comes in this beautiful black box. They have a $6 off coupon on Amazon right now. This would be the perfect last-minute Christmas gift. You could get it prime in 2 days, still get it in time for Christmas. Inside the box, a little bit of instructions, but you're not going to need it because it's really simple. So, here it is. On the back, it's got the on-off. That's like the main on-off. So, like, you can leave it plugged in, but then turn off your on-off so that you're not, like, energy vampiring. Or, you know, just so that it's completely safe if it's in a hard to plug in spot. But I would keep this by my computer, you know, on my feet or just...
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, right? Because your feet get cold. And if you're in a big house, why heat the whole house? What we usually do here is we turn down the heat in the other rooms, and then the room that we're in, we have a little space heater so that it just pumps up that room a little bit because we only have one zone heating. So we've got the switch on the back, and then once you turn that on, then you can use the controls up here. It's got an automatic shut off if it overheats, so you don't have to worry about that. It will automatically shut off if it's tipped over, and it's automatically will shut off if it's blocked.
Nice.
So, on, off. It's got low and high heat, and you could see by the little red thing on the front, it will get brighter for the higher and lower in intensity for the lower amount of heating. I believe it's half power, so it's like full power and half power.
I'm standing in front of this right now. It feels so nice.
It heats up in 2
It's so toasty.
seconds. It heats up very quickly. It's got a ceramic heater on the inside.
What's regular wind?
Regular wind is if you want this just to be a fan. So you can use this not only in the winter time. This is the gift that keeps giving through the summer. Who's not sitting in front of their computer, slaving over a computer, and they would just wish they had a fan blowing on them? This is perfect, so you could use it all year round. And it's got swing.
Yeah.
That means it's going to pivot 90 degrees and then back 90 degrees. Well,
That's
it's going to pivot
nice.
45 and then 90 and then 90 and then... So, yeah. You can, if you got a little partner next to you at the table, you could both enjoy it because you're sharing it. But I would keep it just for myself. Right on me. And then when you go to turn it off, it also has the protection of it's going to cool down before it completely shuts off by just blowing the air. And then when it's finished cooling down, it will shut down on its own. And then I would turn off the switch in the back. Perfect.
That's nice.
Right? So there you have it. I'm going to leave the link to the listing on Amazon in the info box below at the top. Take advantage of the $6 off coupon. It would make a great gift for somebody. It's not just for winter, it's for all year round. Check it out. Let me know what you think if you have one. And Merry Christmas and much love.